SciCuriousID presents. Imagine a world where an entire ocean lies trapped beneath kilometers of solid ice, a sea so vast it could hold more water than all of Earth's oceans combined. This isn't science fiction. It's Europa, one of Jupiter's fascinating moons, a frozen world that may conceal the most promising place for life beyond our home planet.
Behind every question lies discovery. I'm Seluna, and this is SciCurious, where we uncover the science shaping our world.
Europa was first observed and documented in 1610 by the renowned astronomer Galileo Galilei, making it one of Jupiter's 4 large Galilean moons. For centuries, it was simply considered another distant, ice-covered world, holding few secrets to our early telescopes. However, in the 1970s and 80s, NASA's Voyager probes conducted flybys, revealing something truly remarkable about Europa's surface. They found a surprisingly smooth, bright surface, conspicuously lacking in large impact craters, but intricately crisscrossed with dark fractures. This suggested that Europa's surface was relatively young and constantly being reshaped by processes occurring beneath. Scientists began to suspect the impossible, that beneath this vast expanse of ice might lie a hidden ocean of liquid water, kept warm by Jupiter's immense gravitational pull. Europa orbits incredibly close to Jupiter, and its slightly eccentric path means Jupiter's gravity constantly pulls and stretches the moon. This intense gravitational interaction creates friction and generates heat deep within Europa's rocky mantle, a process we call tidal heating. It's this continuous tidal heating that prevents the subsurface ocean from freezing solid, maintaining it in a liquid state. Estimates suggest this hidden ocean could be an astonishing 60 to 100 kilometers deep, containing twice as much water as all of Earth's seas combined. Then, in 2012, the Hubble Space Telescope provided a crucial piece of evidence, detecting plumes of water vapor bursting hundreds of kilometers above Europa's surface. This was the smoking gun, direct observational evidence of a liquid ocean beneath the ice, actively interacting with the surface. If Europa's ocean makes contact with a rocky seafloor, it could harbor the same chemical energy that fuels life around Earth's deep-sea hydrothermal vents. These are ecosystems thriving in total darkness, without sunlight, relying solely on chemical reactions for energy. In other words, life on Europa might not just be a possibility, it might already exist, happily munching on minerals in the dark. Who knew Jupiter's pull could be such a hot date for keeping things liquid and potentially hosting a cosmic dinner party? To uncover these secrets, NASA is sending a new mission, the Europa Clipper, scheduled to arrive in the 2030s. It will fly past Europa nearly 50 times, meticulously mapping its surface and sniffing its plumes for organic molecules, the building blocks of life. Meanwhile, the European Space Agency's JUICE mission is already on its way, set to study Jupiter's icy moons, including Europa, in unprecedented detail. If these missions confirm a salty, chemically active ocean below the ice, it would be the strongest evidence yet that life doesn't need a sun. It would show that only energy and water are truly essential for life to flourish, even in the most extreme environments. Picture this. Beneath Europa's frozen skin, currents move through a global sea, warm plumes rise from the floor, and mineral-rich chemicals feed potential colonies of life. Did you know Europa's ocean might hold more water than all of Earth's oceans combined? That's a splash worth investigating. If we ever find those organisms, they'll be our first undeniable proof that life isn't unique to Earth. It would suggest that life is a cosmic pattern, perhaps emerging wherever the right conditions of water, energy, and chemistry align. Until then, every crack in Europa's ice is an invitation to keep searching, to keep exploring the incredible possibilities of our universe. Curious for more cosmic adventures and scientific discoveries? Subscribe and stay curious with SciCuriousID.
There's always more to discover. I'm Selu, and this has been SciCurious. Stay curious, and I'll see you in the next wonder.